Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm taking Z transform of unit 2. So in this particular video, I'll be looking for inverse Z transform. So inverse Z transform has three types: partial fraction, power series, inverse integrals method. So I'll be looking into each one of them in detail. So stay tuned. This particular video I am working on partial fraction. So today we'll be looking into examples on partial fraction. So this is the first sum which I've taken. So before I start, I would like to say that I've left the link in the description below for the previous videos which are related to the properties of Z transform. So please go back to those videos and see them. So now let's start. The first sum is Z inverse of Z upon Z minus 1 into Z minus 2. Now we have to remove the Z inverse of this part. So I'll tell you an easy method on how to recognize that which method we are going to use for inverse Z transform. So whenever we have anything like upon Z upon something, then at that case we'll be using partial fraction. Okay. So first of all, f of z is equal to, we'll write z upon z minus 1, z minus 2. So now what will we do is, we'll take the z to the denominator of f of z. So f of z upon z is equal to 1 upon z minus 1 into z minus 2. Now we can do the partial fraction of this thing. Now partial fraction means what will we do is, f of z upon z is equal to a upon, we are taking two terms, that is a and b, because over here we have two terms. So a upon z minus 1 plus b upon z minus 2, the second term. What will we do is, if we want to remove the a, value of a is equal to 1 upon z minus 2, that is a is equal to the second term. The second term is 1 upon z minus 2. We won't consider it as b, we'll consider it as 1. So a is equal to 1 upon z minus 2, where we'll put the value of z is equal to 1, because over here we have z minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is the equation over here. I'll show you. Z minus 1 is equal to 0 is the equation. When this 1 minus 1 goes that side, it becomes plus. So the value of z is 1. Therefore we'll put 1. Now we have to put this 1 z. So a will be 1 upon minus 1, because 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So now therefore the value of a will be minus 1. Now we got the value of a. The similar way we'll take the value of b. B is equal to, we'll do the same thing. Now for a, what we did, a is equal to 1 upon z minus 2. Do 1 upon z minus 1. So 1 upon z minus 1, where we have z equal to 2. Over here we have z minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore z is equal to 2. So therefore the value of b is 1. If you put the value of z as 2, the 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 upon 1 is 1. So therefore the value of b is 1. Now what we will do is, now this line you can see, no? So in the place of a, we'll put the value, in the place of b, we'll substitute the value of b. F of z upon z is equal to, the value of a is minus 1 upon z minus 1 plus the value of b is 1. So 1 upon z minus 1. Now what will we do is, this z will take it upside. So it will become minus z and z. So therefore f of z is equal to z upon z minus 1 plus minus z upon z minus 1 upon z minus, this is 2, z minus 2. See, it is z upon z minus a. So this is in the form of, if you see, z upon z minus a. This is the z transform of a raised to k. Then z upon z minus a inverse will be a. So how will we write it? I will write it over here. It is f of z is equal to, now over here it's a minus, so we'll write minus. Over here the a is 1, so we'll write 1 upon k plus, over here it's 2, so 2 upon k. So this is the final answer.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos, I'll be taking power series method. So stay tuned. Also, I upload videos every Monday to Saturday. So until then, keep watching. Thank you.